Good day everyone! For today's menu, our ulam for today is naisipan kong magmunggo. And of course with kalabasa because the kalabasa, the kids love kalabasa, squash. And we have here our galunggong as our subak. And naapod tayo malunggay to make it more healthier version of our munggo. Actually, mas prefer nila na dapat isda ang kasama, ang kauban sa munggo. So this is one of our menu for today. And of course, we have here our luncheon meat. Nagluto ko ng luncheon meat because morning si Mami and kailangan she needs some baon. So this is the easiest na pambaon for sa umaga. And then of course, we have here our pritong isda. Nagprito ng isda because the kids might not eat this one. So just to make sure they have dried food because we have already the munggo as a sabaw. So we have a prito isda. And of course, their all-time favorite, spaghetti ni Daddy. Pag spaghetti ko, love na love nila yan. Kinakain talaga nila yan. So, this is our Filipino style, sweet style. Pag Filipino kasi more of like a little bit of sweet. Yun ang pinakagusto ng mga kids. So, alam ko na actually yung mga kinakain nila. Kaya, yung cook na yung nag-a-adjust. Hindi sila mag-a-adjust sa cook. Pero kami dati, kung ano meron sa mesa, yon na yon, period. Wala nang kaarte-arte. Yung ulam, lang pagkain. Ano to? Bye-bye.